guys, Colleen here. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, make sure to subscribe on your way out and welcome to my channel. If you are a oldie but a goodie, thank you so very much for coming back and checking in on your girls. As you can tell, your girl did her morning skincare routine slash skin prep just before I apply my makeup. I realized that with skincare, and I just want to put this out here, that skincare is a very personal and specific thing, and just because you see me or somebody else online using these products in the way they're using it doesn't mean it may necessarily work for you. You need to try and figure out what your skin needs are and then get products to combat and address those issues. For me, I am over the age of 35. As a matter of fact, I'm closer to 40 now. Oh my gosh, I'm closer to 40 than I am 30. And for me, I want to address things like fine lines and possible wrinkles developing, hyperpigmentation, and texture, you know. So for me, I use products that are more geared towards addressing those issues. But what you're seeing here is just like half of the skincare that I use on a daily basis. Now this skincare routine for me is a typical day in my life kind of skincare routine, because I am very much a very busy person and I can't really do that Korean 10-step skincare routine morning and night every day. I have things to do, I have places to be, and I need to be on the go. So this here, what you're seeing today, is a realistic morning skincare routine for me. This is what I actually do on a daily basis. If you want, I can do a pamper routine for you guys. The pamper routine is something I typically do on the weekend, and when I really need to like feel loved and to show myself love, that's when I do my pamper routine. But for the most part, this is what I do. So if you are over 30, if you have very oily skin, if you are trying to address issues of skin texture, hyperpigmentation, fine lines and wrinkles, you know, check out this video. Maybe I might give you some ideas on what products to use, and thank you so much for watching. So usually when I get up in the morning, I go in the shower and I bathe, and I do my facial routine in terms of cleansing in the shower, because I like the steam from the shower to really open up my skin and my pores really, and get into whatever gunk that I may have collected overnight. So I usually go in with two products. The first being the Good Molecules Pineapple Exfoliating Powder. This basically gently gets rid of all the dead skin and dirt that would have accumulated on my face overnight. The Good Molecules exfoliating powder is something that you activate with water, and then it forms like a frothy foam, and you use that. So I go in with that first, and then I go in with my Innisfree green tea foam cleanser. This is the one that I am using currently. It's a very thick cleanser, so a little goes a long way. So once I clean my skin, and I just go into the rest of my skincare routine. So on my clean skin, I go in with a toner. The toner that I'm currently using right now is the Kopari Coconut and Rose Toner, which is sulfate free, paraben free, and non-comedogenic. And it's also silicone free, which is great in terms of adding all those extra unnecessary ingredients on the face. I like the scent of this one. It's not coconut, but I do smell the rose in it. It's very calming and soothing. And then afterwards, I go in with my serums. So the one that I'm using is a Glow Recipe Plump Hyaluronic Serum. I recently got this in an influencer Vox box, and it came just in time because my Good Molecules Hyaluronic Serum is at its end. So I put basically enough to like cover the face and just massage it into my face. I know some people like to use a jade roller and stuff like that, but honestly speaking, I don't have the time to use a jade roller during this during the day. That's more of a proper routine situation. And of course, then I go in with another serum. This is a Good Molecules Daily Brightening Serum, and of course this one addresses whatever hyperpigmentation I may be dealing with on that day. And just to boost it, I use a bit of my vitamin C powder, the Good Molecules vitamin C powder in it, just to give it that scoop boost. Because brightening, vitamin C is a brightening component, and it has my skin nice and glowy, and it comes with a little scoop so you can get the right amount of measurement. And I do use it on my surgical scar as well, because it's good at evening out, you know, the scarring there. And then after that, I go in with my eye cream. Well, this one is an eye gel. I have two eye gels, well, eye creams that I use. This is my day cream for my eyes. This is the Olay Eyes Deep Hydrating Eye Gel, and this one has hyaluronic acid again. And as you know, under your eyes are really dry, so to put in the extra moisture there during the day, I use this and I absolutely love it. You guys should get it. Alright, and then final couple of steps, I go in with a water-based moisturizer, because if I'm going to put on makeup, I don't want something with oil to add further to the oil that may be in my makeup. So the one I'm currently using now is the e.l.f. Jelly Pop Water Gel Moisturizer. I really like this moisturizer. It's lightweight, but it's very hydrating. And then after, I go in with my Laneige lip sleeping mask. It is a sleeping mask, but I have such dry lips that I like to use it with as a lip balm. I have yet to find a lip balm that is extremely or exceedingly hydrating as this one. And then after all of that, I go in with a sunblock, because it's a must, right? And the one that I'm using is the Missha waterproof sunblock, because it's daytime. I live in a very hot and humid climate, and I would sweat a lot. So waterproof sunblock is a must for me. This one has SPF 50, and I also use this on my neck and my scalp. A good tip is, if you have some kind of scarring or discoloration that you're trying to exfoliate and get rid of, put on a sunblock underneath, just to protect it from getting darker in the sun, and it will help a lot in fading that dark mark or scar. And basically that is my morning skincare routine, right? It's very simple. For me it's the easiest because I'm always on the go. I'm very busy. My days start extremely early and they end pretty late, so I really don't have time to do like the 10-step Korean skincare routines as much as I'd like to, but I have seen a significant improvement in how my skin looks and feels. And I mean, I look better now at 38 than I did at the age of 19. Like, I have friends from high school who would come and say, you have not aged a bit. And I mean, I don't mind aging, but I would like to age gracefully, you know. I don't want to look like a catcher's mitt, you know. So yeah, make sure to use your sunblock. And of course, the one thing I didn't say in this skincare routine is drink lots and lots of water. I know it's really hard. I am not a water lover, but for me it helps when the water is extremely cold, especially on a very hot day, or I probably squeeze a little lemon in it, or even just put a tea bag in it just for some added flavor, you know. So yeah, so basically that is my skincare routine. I hope that it has been helpful in some way to you in terms of finding products that could help with your skincare routine, your morning skincare routine. Of course, it's completely different. These products here are completely different from the products I use at night, so I will definitely do a nighttime skincare routine. And of course, I have to do a pamper routine, which means I'm going to full nines in terms of not just my face, but my hair and my skin and whatnot, you know, and hygiene. So definitely be on the lookout for that. Thank you so very much for watching. Please make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye, guys.